Good morning, students. Welcome to your science class. Class 4, Subject Science, Unit number 3, Head to Toe, Chapter number 5. You are what you eat. Introduction. Food. Food, something that we eat to get energy to do our work. Whenever our body needs food, we tend to feel hungry. Our body needs important substances called nutrients, which we get from the food we eat and drink. These nutrients help us to grow, help the body to repair damaged cells, and provide energy which we need to live and be active. We must eat food from all groups, namely carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Each group is essential for proper functioning of our body. Second, carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are present as starch in most foods. Observe the picture displayed on the screen. It provides us with instant energy to perform daily activities. It is the first food to be digested. Our body breaks the starch which gives you the energy. Carbohydrates are called as energy suppliers. Note, eating too much food rich in carbohydrates will make you fat and lazy. Little will make you tired. Examples: food rich in carbohydrates are A. Bread, B. Noodles, C. Banana, D. Chocolates, E. Potato, F. Rice, G. Corn, etc. Third, proteins. Proteins help in building, maintaining, and repairing the cells. Proteins helps you to grow and stay strong. Proteins are known as bodybuilders. Some proteins are made by the body, others need to be eaten in food. Examples: food rich in proteins, vegetarian food, milk, peas, dry fruits, cereals and pulses, cheese, etc. Food rich in proteins, non-vegetarian food. A. Egg, B. Chicken, C. Meat, D. Fish. Fourth, fats. Fats are called storehouse of energy. They give twice as much energy as carbohydrates and proteins. They are stored in our body as fat cells for future use. They are It also surrounds and protects the organs inside your body. Eating too much food containing fats will harm your body. Fat helps in nourishing your brain and nervous system, help to stay warm. Examples: food rich in fats: A. Rice, B. Cheese, C. Apple, D. Chicken, E. Dry fruits. F. Chocolates. G. Fried chips. H. Popcorn, etc. Minerals. Minerals have benefits. They are very important for good health. They are found in rocks, metals, soil, and water. Observe the picture displayed on the screen. Various sources of minerals. Calcium makes your bones and teeth strong. Iron makes your blood healthy. Phosphorus, iodine, and salt are some other minerals your body needs. 6. Vitamins. Vitamins help you to grow and stay fit and healthy. Vitamins are known by the letters of the alphabet. These are A, B, C, D, E, and K. Observe the various sources of vitamins. Various functions of vitamins. Vitamins keep our eyes and skin healthy. Helps in healing cuts and wounds. Helps in forming red blood cells. Vitamins help in building strong bones and teeth. Vitamins keep your blood clean and healthy and protect you from infections. 7. Dietary fibers. Dietary fibers does not have food value, but it helps in digestion and waste. Moving through digestive system. Dietary fibers are called roughage because it cannot be broken down or digested. Vegetables, fruits, and cereals contain fiber. Example food rich in dietary fibers are A. Beetroot, B. Cereals, C. Apple, D. Dry fruits, E. Carrots, F. Pulses, etc. 8. Water. Our body contains 75% of water. We need water to digest the food we consume. Water helps our systems clean by removing impurities and waste in the form of urine and sweat. Water has no food value, but it is important for our body to be healthy. Many fruits and vegetables contain water. A. Watermelon, B. Grapes, C. Pomegranates, D. Cucumber, E. Spinach, etc. Thank you for watching today's video. Hope you have liked it.